This story is about a boy. No. About a knight. No. A mage. No. A knight? I'll just take something random. Oh, that's better. Meh. He lives in a house. No, a castle. No. He lives, anyway, his dream is to be a giant. Meh. But first you need to find a man who can say, After a long journey, he finds the spirit who doesn't exist. Finally he finds the mushroom who can make him into a giant. But now Godzilla have found the goat and want to kill him, but the goat kills him with a stick.